In a beautiful garden full of flowers, butterflies, and trees, there lived a little bird full of joy and song. Tweet, tweet! What a lovely day! I love the sky, the trees, the breeze, and most of all, flying free. The bird sang happily. But one day, someone placed a golden cage in the garden, and before the little bird could fly away, click! The door shut. Oh no! Where am I? What is this place? Why can't I fly? Why can't I see the sky? Said the bird sadly. I miss the blue sky and the tall green trees. I miss singing with my friends in the morning breeze. This cage is shiny, but my heart is heavy. Freedom is better than the fanciest prison. The little bluebird said in despair. As night fell and the bird saw the moon, the little bluebird wept. Dear moon, tell the gardener, let me go. Let me return to my home. I won't break flowers or peck the fruit. I just want the open sky, that's all. The little bird remembered all the good it did, spreading seeds, waking up in the morning, making the garden cheerful. Even the smallest creature has a role to play. Please let me do mine, the little bird said nostalgically. A little boy passing by the garden heard the birds lament. You belong to the sky, little one, not a cage, the boy said as he opened the cage. I'm free, thank you, my friend, sang the little bluebird happily. From that day on, the bird sang louder, flew higher, and never forgot the taste of freedom. Moral of the story: even the smallest being loves freedom. True kindness is letting others be free. Please like and subscribe. Thank you.